Just look at the face. We've just made yourself a tin tomato.
Welcome to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
Video, welcome back to tea. And today's video we're going to be making tin tomato from the comfort of our homes. Okay, tomato. All we need first is to, wash our tomatoes. So instead of you buying tin tomatoes always in the market, you don't need to. So all you do next is to add salt. I'll add salt and make sure it's washed thoroughly.
So, to my return subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And to my new subscriber, thank you always for joining this beautiful family. You're always welcome. And to those watching without subscribing, please, what are you still waiting for? Please click on the like button, subscribe, and get notified anytime a new video is being posted. Okay, so let's continue with the video.
Instead of you allowing your tin tomato rotten or get bad, this is what you need to do. Instead of always buying tin tomato at the market, so you remove this back particle place. So you open, and the seed, we have to remove the seed. Okay, remove all the seed. We don't need the seed. So sweetie, we are done removing the tomato seed. So we'll set it aside. The next vegetable we're using is bell pepper red. Okay, you wash thoroughly. You wash a red bell pepper. Then in between, you use a knife and you're going to remove the seeds. Okay. So sweetie, I haven't done that. We set this aside, okay? So sweetie, the next fruit we'll be using is carrots. I'll be using two, and you will wash, okay? You wash and scrape the back. Okay. So let's wash. Make sure you scrape the back. We don't want any, no matter how fresh the carrot is, sweetie, scrape the back, okay? This is what we get. We'll cut them, okay? We slice them into a smaller chunk this way. Slice them. And you set it aside, okay? We have beetroot. So all you do is to peel the beetroot. Peel. You wash and peel your beetroot. And you slice them into smaller chunk, okay? You just slice them into a smaller chunk. tomato. We put our bell pepper. Okay. See our carrots. When you put your carrot, the next thing we'll put the beetroot. Okay. We put some garlic, ginger, okay, onion. Okay. This if you put onion. If you have fresh rosemary, you can put, but if you don't have, you can use the dry one. So I'm putting dry rosemary. Okay, dry rosemary. I have this little nutmeg, just put, okay. But if you believe this nice flavor, to cover and allow it to cook on its own. Okay. Now we'll check if our tomato is ready. Oh, I think it's burning. Oh my god, it's burning. But I still little water in it. But it's dry, okay? Oh my god, the aroma here is, oh my. So this time it's dried, it's just burning there. So see, at this time, so I'll be putting all the stuff. We'll blend now, okay?
These are the things you benefit from making your own tomato paste at the comfort of your home. So I'll be writing them down. So please pause the video and read them through. Okay, I love you all, sweeties. Mwah.
Look at the face. We've just made yourself a tin tomato. Hope you'll be giving it a try. Look at the face of the tomato, very reddish and nice. Okay, so I'll be putting it, you can put it in a Ziploc bag, or you put it in a container that is more safer, or in a jar that is more safer. Then you tighten and cover and put in your freezer. Anytime you want to make your stew, just feel free to take one jar. You have your tomato paste, so feel free to always use any of the tomato paste and enjoy. So sweetie, you cover them, okay? And just put in a refrigerator, okay?